Hello friends, you're watching the new channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix hotspot or Wi-Fi problems in Realme 8 Pro or Realme 8 Pro 5G. So before starting video, if you're new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for my latest videos. So if you're facing Wi-Fi or hotspot problems in Realme 8 Pro or 8 Pro 5G, so just simply go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.